5 Best Window Tint Review. I have studied more than 30 top-selling products on Amazon which have good customer reviews. Among those products I have picked top 5 best window tint, which are high quality and worth of money. Let's get started. Number 1. Motoshield Pro, Pre-Cut Ceramic Tint. Motoshield Pro is premium nano-ceramic car window tint. All tints are pre-cut. Pre-cut is ready to install over glass of window. It is best for blocking harmful UV rays and IR rays from the sun. It blocks up to 99% infrared radiation rays, and reduce temperature up to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. It maintain consistent network and GPS signal on mobile device. Before order, inform seller about your car name, model, year, and seller will send you exact match window tint film. Key features. To order, click in the link from the video description. Number 2. Lexen Carbon, Pre-Cut Carbon Tint Film. Lexen has brought a pre-cut window tint film which is made of carbon, best for heat reduction. It has available shades from 50% to 5% VLT. It has carbon deposits in the film, which gives it a dark and matte finish. Lexen Carbon Tint blocks 99% of UVA and UVB rays. It does not affect radio, GPS, and cellular signals. Key features. To order, click in link in the description. Number 3. Diablo, 2-ply window tint film roll. It uses in homes, commercial buildings, offices as well as cars, trucks, RVs. It is available in dark shades, 35% to 5%, blocks heat, and provides great privacy. This film comes in rolls, and you need a sharp stainless steel blade to cut it. Diablo window tint has 3-year warranty and 100% money-back guarantee. Key features. Order from the link in the description below. Number 4. Install Proz double-ply window film. It protects car interior from sun damage, and keeps it cooler. It provides excellent privacy. It has a lifetime guarantee, against fading, peeling, cracking, and delamination. This long tint, 36-inch x 100 feet, can cover 8 to 10 cars easily. It is one of the best quality products that will last for years without cracking or fading. Key features. Make order from the link in the description below. Number 5. TrueLine Automotive Pre-Cut Window Tint. TrueLine Automotive comes with one of the best pre-cut automotive films. Fitment option on the website to select a vehicle matching year, make, and model. This tint is available in 1-ply or 2-ply grades, and available shades from 50% to 5%. Hire a professional to install this tint. Unless you have patience and experience, please do not attempt to self-install. Key features. clicking the link in the description below.